New spy photographs have revealed what appears to be the most powerful version of the upcoming electric Porsche Cayenne, and the images are already creating excitement among performance fans. The photos show a heavily camouflaged prototype, but even with the disguise, it is clear that Porsche is preparing something very special for its flagship electric crossover. This new model is expected to carry the famous Turbo GT name, which already represents the most extreme version of the gasoline-powered Cayenne coupe. The electric Porsche Cayenne made its official debut last November. Instead of replacing the gasoline-powered Cayenne, Porsche decided to produce both versions at the same time. Production is taking place at the Volkswagen Group plant in Bratislava, Slovakia, where the brand continues to expand its electric vehicle lineup while still supporting traditional powertrains. Based on the latest spy images, Porsche is also preparing a coupe-inspired version of the electric Cayenne. This variant will feature a lower roofline and a more aggressive silhouette compared with the standard crossover. The rear window appears to slope downward more dramatically, giving the vehicle a sportier stance. Interestingly, unlike the gasoline-powered Cayenne coupe, the electric version does not appear to include a roof-mounted spoiler. Instead, the rear design shows a horizontal step integrated into the tail section. That design detail is important because it is likely where the future Turbo GT version will mount a large rear wing. The wing will probably help improve aerodynamic stability at high speeds while also visually separating the Turbo GT from the regular electric Cayenne models. Aside from that feature, the rear lighting signature and bumper design appear very similar to the standard Cayenne electric that Porsche already revealed. Under the bodywork, the electric Cayenne uses Porsche's premium platform electric architecture. This platform was first introduced on the smaller electric Porsche Macan and is designed around an advanced 800-volt electrical system. The architecture allows for extremely fast charging capabilities and supports very high-performance electric powertrains. In its current turbo configuration, the electric Cayenne already produces an impressive 1,156 horsepower and 1,500 Newton-meters of torque. Those numbers allow the large crossover to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in only 2.5 seconds, placing it firmly in supercar territory. The upcoming Turbo GT version is expected to push performance even further with additional power, sharper chassis tuning, and more aggressive aerodynamic elements. For comparison, the current gasoline-powered Cayenne Turbo GT uses a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine that produces 659 horsepower, even though that engine already delivers remarkable performance. The electric powertrain appears ready to take the Cayenne into an entirely new level of acceleration and capability. Porsche is expected to officially reveal the electric Cayenne coupe and its extreme Turbo GT version later this year. If the spy photos are any indication, the brand is preparing a crossover that blends everyday practicality with performance numbers that were once reserved only for exotic sports cars.